In fact, we have some news just coming in. The Delhi High Court has issued a notice to Newsclick and its founder Prabir Purkayastha on a plea by the Enforcement Directorate. The ED has sought the High Court to set aside its earlier orders directing the ED not to take any coercive action against Purkayastha in the money laundering case, is what we are learning. ED has moved Delhi High Court against the no-action order against Newsclick and its founder, Purkayastha. In fact, already those who run the media portal have spoken about the fact that this is a targeted campaign against us. This is action that was being sought against Prabir Purkayastha. The ED had sought the High Court to set aside its earlier orders directing the ED to not take any coercive action against him in the money laundering case. The ED, however, has challenged this, has moved the High Court. This has got to do with the no-action order on Newsclick. Remember, this is from the year 2021. Newsclick has been on the radar. The court had ruled that there should not be any action against Newsclick and its founder. However, the ED is now challenging this. Shrishti Oja has got more details on that story. Essentially, the ED says we need to take action and that there was protection given to Newsclick and the promoter for a while. That protection is something that needs to be removed now, Shrishti.
Well, yes, Neha, Delhi High Court has today issued notice on the Enforcement Directorate's plea, which has basically challenged the release that was given to Newsclick and its editor from any coercive arrest. That protection order has now been challenged by the ED, saying that in the investigation that they have conducted, they have evidence that money laundering has been done by Newsclick. Not just that, ED has told court that it's a case of criminal conspiracy where paid news involving paid news and 38 crores have come in violation of law. That's ED's major contention before the court. What's important here is that the court has also said that prima facie, in its opinion, ED's contention has merit and requires consideration and deliberation. So the High Court has decided and agreed to entertain this particular matter. Notice has been issued and now Newsclick will have to respond to this particular plea of ED and come back to court by September, which is when the court will hear this matter again. Back to you.
Also, the contention of the ED essentially is that it has unearthed material in the investigation that actually discloses the commission of the offence of money laundering, Shrishti, and that's the reason why this protection should be removed now.
Yeah, that's what the ED has said. They have said that the investigation has, first of all, their important contention is that as an investigating agency, it is independent to conduct its investigation and the court should not interfere in this matter. Along with that, they have also said that when investigation was conducted by the Enforcement Directorate, further investigation, they have found relevant material which shows that money laundering was in fact committed. 38 crores is a big amount that ED has claimed, which forms part of money laundering. Paid news, according to them, is involved in this particular matter, which is a big allegation as far as the news platform is concerned. So it will be very important to see what Newsclick has to say in its defense to ED's contention before Delhi High Court now.
All right, I'm going to thank you, Shrishti, for the moment. The Delhi High Court has issued a notice to Newsclick. Its founder, the ED, said now the protection that Newsclick was enjoying is something that has to now be done away with.